The clock is ticking, and I'm on a mission to making $500 before the end of the month. No gimmicks, no shortcuts, just me, the Utrading bot, and the drive to hit the targets. Will you join me? Join me and witness the journey unfolds, okay? So first of all, I'll show you the $100 that I want to use for this mission, okay? As you can see, look at it, available $100, okay? So let me quickly go back to the home page and show you the amount I've made before I start on this journey. You click on profit, to go to the earnings. As you can see, I've made $233.562. Okay, so we'll start counting. If we succeed, we'll be hitting around 700 and something dollars by the month end. Okay, so quickly let's go back to selecting coins, but before then, the strategy I'll be using is high profit no liquidation setting with the risk of getting liquidated if you don't monitor the trade. Okay, so we have to monitor the trade very closely because you are on a risk trading strategy. Okay, so first of all, let's start by clicking on the market to observe how the market is. So as you can see today, market is actually green everywhere, so it's bullish. The market is busy pumping. BTC already hit 122 all-time high few hours ago, but it's on now on 121,000 USD. Okay, so here in selecting coins, I'm going to select coins with prices 0.00 from 0.00 to 10. So those are the target coins I'm going to trade with. I'll be trading on SU, I'll be trading on Dodge, I'll be trading on ADA, I'll be trading on say Links, Bit Near, Runes, LPT, Strike, STRK, and the whole lot of other coins. So for the fact that we're using 100 USD, so I'm hoping to trade 10 coins. Okay, so in selecting coins, I have to check the trades. Okay, so like this one, STRK is just 0.28 down, so I would like to start with it. You can easily go to CoinGecko to check the coins and see how we have been faring for the past 24 hours. Okay, to see if you can actually venture into it. So STRK, you select STRK or you search STRK. Let's see how it has fared for the past 24 hours. Okay, the coin is, it has gone up and is now down, so I'm expecting that the coin will go up again. So let's go to the info and see how it has performed for the past 24 hours. Okay, so it has all-time 24 hours high of 1.147 and the 24 hours low of 0.137. Okay, so all-time low, it has appreciated by 47.4%, which was just in June 2025. And all-time high, it has not reached the all-time high, it's still 96% below the all-time high, so it has the potential to grow. And the current price is 1.42, while 24 hours high is 1.47. So I think this can go up. So let me quickly rush back to the coin, select it as the first coin. Also, what you need to consider is the categories. There are categories of coins. We have category A, category B, category C, which shows the stability of the coins. Okay, So I'll do more of categories A, which are the stable coins, and few of the category B and C. So I'll pick category A, category B, and category C. Maybe three of category A, four of category A, four of category B, and then maybe two of category C. These are the things we need to consider before you venture into the trading. So the STRK, let's select it. You click on STRK, it takes you to the manual configuration where you can now select the robots you want to use. Okay, scroll down to DCA features. So we're using DCA features robot for this trading. Okay, fund allocation, we're selecting direction for long. You leave initial position as it is, you leave max position as it is for now. Then you go to smart add position. Smart add position, you click on, you turn it on. Then nominal leverage. Nominal leverage, here we're going to select the maximum of it. So what do we have as maximum? The So leverage here we're selecting 50x. That's the maximum. Risk level, you will leave it at radical. Then max order here, we're going to leave it at 1. We just want you to buy and exit the market as quickly as possible, so you leave it at 1. Then size multiple, you don't need to set anything there. Take profit, we'll leave the take profit at 3%, so you leave it at 3. Okay, so yes, 3%. So we'll now go back to setting up the amount we're going to use to do the trading. So how we're going to do this mathematics is what we have as initial position here, which is 429, multiplied by what we have on the nominal leverage 50, then divide by 5.993. Okay, so we have 429 multiplied by 50 divided by 5.993. Okay, so you quickly go to your calculator and do the mathematics. 429 multiplied by 50, okay, divided by 5.993, going to give you 3,759. So 3,759. You now come back to this initial position and put 3,759. Okay, so you now go to max position to see what will give you. Yes, so as you can see, as soon as you do that, it will be giving you the max position, will be giving you approximately the number you have on your leverage, the number you selected on your leverage, nominal leverage. So you see here it's giving me 52.513. Okay, so that's how you know that is actually the calculation you did is correct. Then you go back again and check everything is on long. You check to see everything is okay as you want it. Then you click launch. So what it does is that you've borrowed approximately $50 to make this trade, while your actual money is just one. Though 1% of your money is what you're going to use to do the transaction. So when this thing launches, as you go back to your available capital, you see that it just dropped Let's check if it's running now. Okay, so as you can see, the available balance now is $99, which implies he has used $1 from my account to make this purchase, while I borrowed $50 to do the transaction. Okay, so we'll go back and do the settings again. You select coin. I'm going to select 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 coins and repeat the same process and launch. Then we'll monitor the trade and see how it goes. Okay, so as you can see here on the future trading, I have 10 coins already running for me, and I'm already on profit $1.07, and these are the selected coins. Okay, so we monitor the coins closely and see within 24 hours what we can get there. So the assets, so let's check from the 10 coins. Let's look at the assets to see how much we've spent from our own available capital and then the one we've borrowed. We still have $92 available from our capital while we're already trading 10 coins. Okay, so if you've gotten value on this training, on this demonstration, you click like button, you subscribe, and then also click on notification bell, so as soon as we drop video you get notified. Okay, so you join me to this journey. Tomorrow we'll continue on the day 2 and see how much you could make and see if we're able to hit the target of $500 before the end of this month, July. Thank you.